In this video, we're going to learn how to finalize your Voicethread project, how to publish it, how to share it, and how to invite others to add their comments to your presentation. This last piece is how you convert the Voicethread you may have created in your classroom into a conversation that takes place outside of the walls of your institution. And that's really the beauty of Voicethread. It is a tool to create community in and out of the formal setting. So to finalize your project, you need to go to each of these 4 buttons. You have your playback options, which helps you to configure your Voicethread and the way it looks when others see it. By default, there is a 4-second delay between the end of the last comment on one slide and the beginning of the next slide. You can change this to 3 seconds or 2 seconds or whatever works for you. By default, when a Voicethread is opened, it starts to play. You could unclick this and then the person watching it has to click the play button. By default, when you open up a Voicethread, it is not in full screen mode. You can make it full screen by clicking here. These 2 options are for the enhanced versions of Voicethread. If you wish to allow others to export your Voicethread, you can click here. If you wish others to make a copy, you can click here. Once you've decided the way you want your Voicethread to look, you click Save, and then you move on to your next step. If you have an enhanced version of Voicethread, you can export your Voicethread into a movie version. Again, you have to pay for that. You can also take your Voicethread and embed it on your web page or on your blog or on any of these sites as well. Here is the code, here is copy. And here is, in my opinion, the most important piece, the publishing options. Right now, this Voicethread is private. No one can see it other than me, the creator. If you want to allow anyone to view, i.e. anyone with the link, which you will share, you click on that. And there's an explanation right here. Anyone can view it, but no comments are allowed, and it will not show on the browse page, which is the public page where everybody can see your Voicethread, and you're the only person who can edit this Voicethread. If you want to let other people comment, you click that. Now, by doing that, you are now inviting other people, or you're now enabling other people to add their thoughts to your presentation. Once they get the link, they click on it, they create their own identity, which we should learn how to do in a previous video, and then they can comment as well. If you allow other people to comment, I would suggest that you click on Moderate Comments. That allows you to control what appears in the public page, public insofar as you've identified it as such. You will know if something needs to be moderated because it will appear on the Voicethread as a grayed out comment. Once you approve it, it will appear as normal. If you click here, the Voicethread becomes public to the world. It is on the browse page where in the first video you saw that you could look at all the different Voicethreads people created. That's how you make that happen. This is your choice. So this is how you set your Voicethread up to be saved. You click Save, and now you get to the sharing. On this page, you have a number of options. You can get a link to share, which means that you click and you see you can copy the link, and it allows anyone to view, to comment, and you can moderate comments. This is sort of the same information as what you worked on earlier in the publishing options. You copy the link by clicking that. The link is copied to the clipboard, which means that you've copied it and it's available now to be pasted onto an email, which you can then send to other people. Once they get that email, they can click on the link. They are taken to your Voicethread presentation, and if you configured it as such, they can then again create an identity and comment as well. If you have friends or contacts who have Voicethread accounts, you can add them here. Click Add, you name their you click their email, their names, and you click Add. You can only create groups in Voicethread if you have an enhanced version. So that's really the basics. That's how you create a Voicethread that is public to those who you wish it to be public to, and how you invite other people to comment. There's one last step. in your Voicethread adventure. If you'd like to share an already created and configured Voicethread, what you do is you navigate to the My Voice page, which is the repository of all the Voicethreads you've created. You click on the menu wheel, you click on Share, and you get to this sharing page, which we've seen already. You click on Get a Link, which will copy the link to the Voicethread, which you can then paste onto an email, and you can send it to whomever you wish. Voicethread is a powerfully rich resource that you can use to enhance the conversations in your educational setting. We hope this introduction will help you. To find out more, you can go to their support page, which provide many resources to help you create even more complex Voicethreads. Enjoy.